Hey guys, it's Kaylani, and today I'm going to be making slime. That's pretty much all my videos, but I have a bowl here, and I'm going to be making jiggly slime. Now this will be my first time actually making jiggly slime, so I have a cup of water here. Then I have some food coloring. It's not necessarily going to be blue, but I have neons and regulars. That was just the one that I grabbed. And then I have some Sta-Flo, and then I have some glue. So without further ado, let's get started. Now everybody pours in the water first, the glue first, but I think I'm going to do something different. I think I'm going to add some water, about that much. And I'm going to go ahead and make it, no, let's make it a pretty color. Let's make it, let's do green because, so we'll do, okay, we're not going to do green, we're going to do blue, if it'll come out. There's no colors. Light blue? There better be some light blue. Okay, there is. So I added like 4 drops. Now I'm just going to mix that in there. Make the water blue. Okay. Okay. So there's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Elmer's glue. And that's why I did that, because I don't want melt and I know it won't. So I'm just going to kind of mix it in here and make it kind of blue. And then you add some liquid starch, and it will look like the water, obviously, but it's not going to be, as you can tell, because it's already coming together forever. Okay, so now that we have done that beautifulness, I have a jar here, and I'm going to be adding the excess water into there. It's already in there, so I can't really take it out. It's dirty in, it's already in. I can't take it out. Okay. That's all the liquid I can get out right now. So all the rest is pretty much slime. Now I just need to add a little bit more liquid starch. And then that should pretty much activate it. Except for it's probably sticky. I'm not for sure on how to make jiggly slime, but I tried. And I feel like you're gonna need a lot more liquid starch with water, because water is just water, and I feel like water's water, and I feel like water will not, will make it kind of droopy. But it's working, which it's already worked. It just started working because I added that little bit. But I like how it's so slimy. I just poured some of the extra juice out. Okay, so it's not a bad slime. It just needs to sit for a minute. So once it sits, it should be good. I just need to let it sit for a minute and just kind of knead it because it's really liquidy. And I feel like that's what jiggly slime is like literally supposed to do. Ew, it like splats. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just gonna kind of get that stuff at the bottom and kind of mix it in. So it's kind of like a matte color. As you guys can, it's like not even like a little glitter. It's just like matte. But it's really stretchy and it's a really nice slime. And I know to make more of this because I know it works and it's a really good slime. So if you're going to make slime for the first time, definitely make regular slime. But if it's not going to be for the first time, definitely make jiggly slime. It might be a little overactivated, just a little bit, but that would be my fault, definitely not the jiggly slime's fault because I have seen really nice jiggly slimes. But this is my jiggly slime and I'm really proud of it. So thank you guys for watching and bye.